Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. I know I've not been doing like intro so let's do one today. So if you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button and join the family. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button, please. I'm begging. We are all begging. Join the family, okay? So today's makeup tutorial, you can see I have my go-to hat on, you know, and I'm having contact on. Name will be on the video and at the description bar of the contact if you're interested. Yeah, so I decided to do like a very subtle glossy lip makeup tutorial. This is very easy to recreate. If you want to say hi, got this look, stay tuned for this video, guys. Hello YouTube fam. Anyway, let's start with this look. I'm going to moisturize my skin. Not moisturize, I'm going to prime. This is also a moisturizer though. It's primer plus moisturizer in one. So this is the Smashbox photo finish primer. So I'll just take this at the back of my hand because I don't want to stain myself. Let's not get too fancy. The Elegant 109 brush. I'm going to use this to blend because a lot of people, like some people always ask, like, you don't talk about the brushes you use, you don't even mention the name. I always link them at the description bar though. So just buffing this all over my face. The contact lens I'm wearing today is grey. I'll leave the name at the description bar, guys, okay? Just shake this. Let me shake my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fits Me foundation, the matte and poreless one. And I went to the shop and I got new shade. Am I holding the right shade? Yeah, I went to the shop because they've added more shade. I used to have the 352, this one right here, 352. So this was a little bit too light, so I went to get this one. I went to get 356. I want to color correct using the Nip and Fab. You guys know this concealer right here is amazing for color correcting. Find this at Superdrug. You know, the cheaper the better. Just keeping it real. Or you can just get the Elegant. So I applied this in the areas I'm having like dark spots on my face because I've been breaking out, and I think drinking water now is helping clear the skin. Maybe it's almost the time of that month, you know, that time of the month I be. Maybe so that it all come. So I'm just blending using a Technique brush. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. You can just apply your full coverage foundation. Like I said, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fits Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 356. Dab it on my face. That is why I love this packaging. You can just dab directly on your face, unlike the US one that don't have a pump. This is how your face should look. How would they know that you are beating this face if you don't look like this? So I'll just blend using a sponge, and I'm using the, what sponge is this? This is the Black Canvas Cosmetic sponge. So I'll just use this to blend this foundation. It's damp. I just washed it today. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I found my shade. I love this foundation, you guys know. So if you have MAC NC50 or NC45, try out the 356. Oh my god, this foundation is flawless. Flawless and affordable. Flawless. Do you know how long I've waited to have my shade in this UK? I'm going to highlight my face using the collection long lasting concealer. and I'm going to use the shade 5. I think it's £4.99 or £3.99. I can't remember now. This is the darkest shade that they have. Can you believe that? So now we blend. Like collections, they need to add more shades to this concealer. It's so beautiful though. Oh, look at that. Look at a cheap concealer. Like, tell me if some expensive concealer can do this. Like, seriously. So I'm just blending out the edges because we want everything to look well blended and seamless. So I'm going to use a new setting powder I just got. I got this powder from Superdrug, and this is by MUA. Like, MUA is killing it, guys. This right here was £3. Was it £3 though? Yeah, I think it was £3.99 or £3. At Superdrug, you can get this powder. They will have the banana one. Bring it closer to you for you to see. So I got this. It looks so beautiful though. Look at that. Very cheap. They are including dark skin. If MUA can include dark skin, I don't know what the big brands are doing. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. The color is beautiful. Mostly if you don't like that banana feel. Ooh, I like this. I like this. I like this powder. I'll give it a thumbs up. It's cheap and amazing. But me being me, I'll apply another powder on top of it. I'll take the Beauty Bakery yellow powder, apply this to bake underneath my eyes. Now I feel like buying the yellow one from the MUA because it actually looks like this color, the Beauty Bakery one, and that is cheaper. The MUA powder, I'm going to use that to set. Makeup Revolution. The Revolution, they are no longer called Makeup Revolution, they changed their name like weather. So the Revolution concealer in the shade C15. I'm going to use this to contour. Just dab, dab, dab. A little bit of this goes a long way. I'm going to contour using my Reed technique. Brush, crush, brush to blend out the contouring. To blend out any harsh line, baby. Way to set the contouring and bronze my cheekbone. Like, bring the chocolate back to the chocolate, eh? Using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer, my fave. Use that with my brush, my Reed technique. I'm going to use my MUA Rich Brown eyeliner. This is not a brow pencil, this is an eyeliner, so don't get it wrong. This is £1. Face makeup out of the way, then I'll focus on the brows later. That's what I do. Now I'm going to take brow mascara. This sets the brow in place, and this I'm using this one by NYX. I've been using this of late because I'm using a pencil. The days I'm not using pencil to do my brows, I don't need this step. If I'm using a brow pomade, I don't use this step. Only when I'm using a pencil, because this will help the pencil not move. Clean the brows using the concealer that we use for the under eyes. Sorry guys if I'm quiet on this step, because your girl have to be quiet. So guys, I'm going to prime my lid for the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this is not my favorite, right? I don't know, so there's something about this primer that works. I just wish they sent me a lighter shade. This primer is amazing, and this is by Smashbox. This is Smashbox lid primer, photo finish lid primer, and I'm using the shade dark. Saw it on Jackiana video the other day. She was using medium. Medium is a bit light, and that can serve as a base. Once this primer sets, it doesn't move, so blend quickly. For eyeshadow, for that look, because I'm recreating a look I posted a picture of on Instagram, so on that look I used the Subculture palette by ABH. Yeah, this palette was not cheap. This palette was £41, and I'm going to use the hell out of this palette until I hit pan. I can as well use it every day. Let everybody get tired. So I'll start with the shade Forge. Start with Forge, and I'm using this brush by Crown Brush. So I will blend that on my crease. Little by little. Eyeshadow is not trick. All you just do is apply, then you blend, apply, then you blend. On that look, what did I do? Did I do halo eyes? Sorry, I need to check, because we are recreating a look. This is the eye look we are recreating today. Very beautiful. I'm going to apply this shadow, the same Forge. I'm going to apply it on the outer and the innermost corner of the eye. You guys know this is my favorite look. Like, just leave it. Take All Star on this palette, All Star. I'm going to apply it at the outermost corner of the eyes and the innermost corner of the eyes. Just the same way I applied the Forge, I will apply the All Star. I'm going to take a very clean brush. I'm not going to put anything on this clean brush. I'm just going to use this to blend the top of the eyes. To miss this, and this. Apply that on the center of the eyes, because we are doing halo eyes. You know how it is. I can see your halo, 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 halo. I'm going to take the brush I use in applying the All Star. Eyeliner. I'm going to take this Mimai eyeliner, black eyeliner. Line my lid. This liner is too soft, like it's so soft. I did take a black liner for my waterline. Anyway, I'm just going to use a brown one, the one I use for the brows. I'll just apply this on my waterline. Now I'm going to blend the under eyes. I'm going to use the shade Forge and All Star, the shade we use on the crease. I'm going to take my BH setting powder, BH Cosmetic Pro powder in the shade 250. So I'll use this to set my face. I'm using the F powder brush as usual. use my coconut water spray first to remove all the powder effects from my face. So this coconut water spray, you can get this from TK Maxx. So for lip, I'm going to start with MAC Chestnut. Where have you been, Jojo? When people were buying chestnuts, you were just sitting down there chilling. This MAC Chestnut lip liner is amazing. For lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC Patrick Star lipstick in the shade Mama Star. This is my favorite of the Patrick Star collaboration. Then I'm going to top it up with this MAC lip glaze, Abby, whatever, in the shade Candy Boss. This lashes by GWA. It looks like this. My lash glue by Kiss Cosmetic. I'm going to apply this on my lash band. This is my method of applying lashes. Okay, we have applied our lashes. It's that easy now that I apply the glue. Everything just stick. Let us glow to the Lord. Every day is a good day. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. I'll start with the cream. This is the cream right here. Let me rub it at the back of my hand to melt it up, because it can be sticky. It's meant to be sticky though. This shade and this shade. Blend the hash line so you can see where the highlighter is starting from and the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this mascara by Tarte. This is a sample of the mascara. Lip gloss. So the lip gloss I'm using, like I said, is by MAC. So the last thing I'm going to do is to set my face, like set the makeup in place. I'm going to use this setting spray by Terrain A. And my holy grey heart. Just pop this on, then I'm looking cute, like seriously. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. I actually like the new shade of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This matches me really well. I like the way the eye look came out, and I hope you guys learn one or two from this makeup tutorial. I will link everything I use always at the description bar. Make use of the description bar, guys. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Name will pop out on the video. Just go follow me. Ask me any question any time of the day. I will get back to you once I am free. Okay, leave all comment at the comment section. You guys know I love your comments. It really helps me a lot. Thank you for your love and support on this channel. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always. Bye guys.